Hey guys, what's up? So, I am frequently asked about few things. Uh, whether I should do these things or not, so that results should come. So finally, I decided today that I should be coming with a few factors which I am going to define you, and if you follow those factors, certainly you will be seeing light at the end of tunnel. And what are those factors? Just pay me this undivided attention and follow which I am going to tell you. The first thing that everybody, when starting any home-based business or internet marketing business, then he should have vision. Without vision, if you are starting, then after some time you are going to be lost. Because and vision is like this. Suppose there is a wall here, and you don't know exactly what is beyond that wall. In that case, whatever effort you are putting here to achieve, you may not get. Why? Because beyond wall, something you have to visualize, something you have to see that okay, it is there, it is stored there for you. Even if you cannot see with your own eyes, but still you can have your vision. Visualization should be there. Your vision is very, very important, I am telling you, my friend. Without vision, you will be simply desperate. So it depends whether you are driven by desperation or by inspiration. If you are driven by desperation, it is high time to change yourself, because desperation is nothing but it is just a survival technique which every human being can have. They have learned from many lifetimes how to survive. It is very easy. But inspiration, if you are inspired, then you will have vision, I am telling you, my friend. Yes. If you are not having any inspiration, then whatever training you may get, whatever systems you are going to attend, it is not going to give much result. And but if you are not being driven by passion, then it is merely impossible to get success. Yes. So vision is so much important. This was the first point. Second point is capital. See, for starting any business or going in depth in the business, certainly some money is required. So you have to put your money. There is no free lunch anywhere in this world. If somebody is giving you any such thing, then take my words, it's not a business. It cannot be. After all, business is a transaction, and in that you must put your money. Of course, in any of the home-based business, or you can say this internet marketing business, for which I am talking frequently, needs minimal amount of money, not much. Both for starting and when you have already started, then also you have to put some money, right? Okay. So this was the second point. Third point is the time. Yes, time commitment is very important, my friend. See, often it is told that time and tide waits for none, right? It is 100% right, my friend. Time and tide waits for none. So whenever something is told, okay, you should have a commitment of time for working 2 hours, 1 hour or 3 hours or 4 hours, like that, if it is told by your seniors, by your upline, then you must follow. You must follow, because they have seen all those things. So time commitment is very important. Then fourth point is the discipline. Discipline is such a thing that you can see every time, if you are suppose Suppose it's take the case of mine. Till now I have prepared, you can say, more than 110 videos without break. Without break, this will be my 70th day. It was told in the beginning that I should be giving at least one video per day, but now I am giving more than one video per day. You see now, and you can easily understand what is the commitment factor in me. So discipline is very important, my friend. If you are disciplined, you every day I am making one video. Every day, at least one. Many times it is more than one. Okay? So discipline is very important. Discipline was the fourth point. And the fifth point, which I am going to tell you, my friend, is also one of the most important point, for which I am very frequently talking about that. And the fifth point is, after vision, capital investment, and time and discipline, you think that you are already there. Your belief, you think that you are already there, and this is very important. It is just like highlighting. This is called you can say highlight point. Even if right now physically you are not there, but mentally 100% you are there. That you have to see. In that case, nobody, no situation, no difficulty will stop you from getting success. Yes, my friend, you will see. I am sure you will see light at the end of tunnel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.